Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can import your contacts into your MailChimp account. Okay, so I have a Google Sheet already whereby I have some test lead I want to import directly, and I want to import those contacts into MailChimp. So let's get started. Okay, so I am currently in my MailChimp account, and what I want to do is I want to create contact. So I'm going to go into all contact, then I am going to click on add contact, and I want to import contact. So you can add in a single contact or you can um import contact. So I'm going to click on import contact. I am going to be uploading a file, and I am going to click on continue. So I'm going to browse the file. So I have the file already in my I downloaded the file from Google Sheet into my system or into my computer. So I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to open it. Okay, so I am going to continue to organize, and now I am going to be mapping out all the no, I'm not updating existing contacts, they are new leads, so I'm going to continue to tag. So now I am going to be mapping out all of. So now I can add in whichever tags I want. I want to add in customers. I want to add in yeah, new leads, and that should work. And I continue to map. Yep. So the first name, the last name has already been mapped. The email address has been mapped. The phone number has been mapped. The company. So the company name has not been mapped, and we want to map that out. So currently there is no field for company. There is no company field. So what I want to do is I'm creating a new field. So I want to create a field label, and I want to name it company. Then it is a text. So this field is going to be a text field. Then I click on confirm. Yeah, and that field has been created. So the job title too is missing, and what I want to do is I want to create a new field also, and I want to name this job title. Yeah, job title, and is a text field. Then I move on confirm. And also for my lead status, there is no field for lead status, so I'm going to create a new field, and I am going to be naming this field lead status. Okay, so the next one is the lead source. So I'm going to be creating a new field, and I am going to be naming this lead source. So the lead source, and it's going to be a text field, and I click on confirm. Okay, so here is the next one is for the full address, and what I want to do is I want to create a new field, and that new field will be called full address, because I don't want to use the combined field or the combined address. Then it is also a text field. Then I click on confirm. Okay, so the next one is the address, and it is speaking in the combined field. And I actually don't want it to be the combined also. So what I do is I create a new field, and I name this address. And it is also a text field, and I click on confirm. Then I can be able to pick in the city. Yeah, so the city, that is picked, confirm that. Then I want to go back to this address, and I want to pick in the street address. Yeah, I created a new field because MailChimp automatically maps the address to the combined field. So I have to like create another field, then come back and add in the real one. So this is the street address, and I click on confirm. We have added in the city. Then I want to move on to the state. I want to add in the state or the province or the region, whichever one. Then I pick it in, and I click on confirm. And for the postal code, we have the zip or the postal address, so we click on confirm. And the country, yeah, so for the country we have this, then we confirm it also. And for the industry, I'm not sure if we have the industry in. Okay, so the industry is currently not available, so what we have to do is we have to create a new field, and we have to name that field industry, and it is also a text field. Then I click on confirm. So I want to add in the annual revenue is also not in here. I want to name this, and it is a number field, and I'm going to pick a number, and I'm going to click on confirm. And the next one is the number of employees. And the number of employees is currently not in MailChimp. So I create a new field also. And I'm going to name it number. Number of employee is a number field. So I click on number and I click on confirm. And for the website, I don't think we have the website. Nope, we do not. What I want to do is I want to create a new field and we are going to name this website. So we are going to pick the website field and we are going to click on confirm. And the next one is the description. Now the description is going to be a text field and there is no description here. So we create a new field and we name it description. Then description is going to be a text field and I click on confirm, and the tags has been mapped in automatically. So what I want to do right now is I want to continue to subscribe, and we want to pick in that the marketing status for this contact is subscribed, and that is because we need the permission of those people to be able to send them emails. So I want to finalize my imports, and this is the summary of my import. It is imported from file upload. Then the marketing status is subscribed, and we are not updating existing contacts, and we have tagged the import as customers and new leads. So we want to continue imports or complete imports. They've added in 13 contacts into our audience. So we want to view the imported contact. So our contact has moved in um from 1 to 14. And as you can see, here are the imported leads, and that is how to import contact from your spreadsheet into your MailChimp account. Okay, so that's all for now, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can receive notification anytime I drop in a new video like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.